Hi, my name is Ali Said and today I welcome you to Brampton North Nissan to present you the all-new 2019 Nissan Murano. I'm going to tell you all about the vehicle along with all the great incentives it holds for you. In the 2019 Nissan Murano, Nissan has given the Murano a facelift to the front lights, to the tail lights, as well as had some good safety features for you. For instance, you have intelligent emergency braking, sonar sensors, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert available for your safety. Also in the 2019 Nissan Murano, you feel the comfort, you feel safe, and you feel the luxury. So in this Murano trim level, just like as the front has a lot of safety features for you, so does the rear part of the car as well. It gives you the rear sonar sensors at the back. The backup camera detects any blind spot monitoring for you. You also have, for your convenience, the motion liftgate. As far as you have the key in your purse, in your pocket, you can simply wave your leg, move back, and the trunk opens up for you, which is convenient when you have heavy cargo with you. All you have to do is just throw it in. In the 2019 Nissan Murano, for your convenience, you have your heated steering wheel. You also have lane departure warning, as well as lane intervention. Also, one safety feature that a lot of cars don't have is the knee airbag, which is located right underneath the steering wheel. It's for your safety. So in the 2019 Nissan Murano, as much as it's going outside of the car, you have a lot more features inside of the vehicle. You have your built-in GPS, you have your dual zone automatic temperature control, you also have available Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which gives you the access to your WhatsApp messages, Waze, so does the Android Auto. You can also navigate through climate, through traffic, and check out your fuel prices thanks to Nissan Connect services, which you get complimentary when you purchase a Nissan vehicle. So in the 2019 Nissan Murano, you have available remote engine start to start your car in winter days from inside your house, inside the mall for your convenience. Simply lock the car, hold the remote button, and the car will automatically start itself. So now that you know all about the 2019 Nissan Murano, let me tell you more. At Brampton North Nissan, you get up to $6,000 in discount. Plus, you get a free set of winter tires. Not just that, this October at Brampton North Nissan, there's no tricks, only treats for you.